Welcome! In front of me I have DIESEL On Axial watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see your Axial watch right here. Now, scroll down, find the option called Advanced Settings, and tap on it. And here you should see the option called Unpair Watch. Tap on it, tap on Unpair Watch, and wait. The watch will disappear from the app, and it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. Now we can close the app and let's wait. Oh, as you can see, now it's doing it. And it's gonna start resetting itself, and it's gonna take a while. So at this point, your watch is unpaired from your phone, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.